Word up, car people! In this video I will show you how to detect and solve an engine misfire with and without a OBD scanner. We will start with the OBD scanner, but later in the video I will show you how to solve the problem without a OBD scanner. We got a OBD error code of P0301, and it actually runs through to P0304 if of course it's a 4-cylinder engine. And it can also be a P0300 where you have a misfire in the engine but you don't know which cylinder caused the problem. But let's start with the first method, the P0301. And here you can hear how the engine sounds like when it only runs on 3 cylinders. And as you can hear, it doesn't sound good, and of course the engine doesn't run good. So first thing first, I will connect the OBD scanner to the car, and on this Mitsubishi Colt, the OBD port is right under the steering wheel to the right. And after that, I connect it to the app on my phone and run the diagnostics. And then I get the error code of P0301. But what does that actually mean? It means that I have detected a misfire in cylinder 1, and that could be due to the spark plug. It could also be the fuel injector, the ignition coil, or it could be a shorten or open electrical connection or some of the plugs, or it could be the compression. Let's not hope that. It could be the fuel pressure, or it could be some problem with the air intake. I have had this problem with some of my other cars before, and actually for me it's typical the ignition coil that are faulty. Also when you from time to time switch out the spark plug, and if it should be an connection problem, some of the plugs are air leak, it would typically be a P0300 where you can't detect which cylinder is running bad. Here you have a diagram on my 4-cylinder engine. You have ignition coil 1, 2, 3 and 4. And as we know, the problem is in cylinder 1, so it could be the cylinder, the spark plug, or the ignition coil. Now that we have the OBD scanner, we know that it shouldn't be some of the other cylinders, which also indicates that I don't think it's a air leak or air leak problem. And typical is not a problem with the fuel injector, but it could be. But let's first test out the ignition coil. The way I am doing it is by taking out the ignition coil from cylinder 1 and the ignition coil from cylinder 3, and after that I just switch the ignition coil from cylinder 1 to cylinder 3, and of course I will not switch the spark plug or the connection wire from cylinder 1 to cylinder 3. And then I started the car with the OBD scanner on it, And now I get an error message of P030 which means that we now have a misfire on cylinder 3 instead of cylinder 1. And that indicates that the problem is the ignition coil and not the spark plugs and not the cylinders. So I just bought a new ignition coil and put that in instead of the old ignition coil 1. And after that I tested the car, and as you can hear, it runs smoothly again. And as in my former video with the OBD error code P0170, I actually used other components to detect where the problem were, and by that, using other components to solve or detect where the problem is. You could also have done this without a OBD scanner. The first thing I would do is to try to detect which cylinder the engine doesn't run on. So I would do that by disconnecting the plug, the electrical connection to each ignition coil, and if you took one out which it runs on, it will go down to 2-cylinder and it would kill the engine. But then I would connect it again and start the engine and try another connection and try to pull out that plug, and hopefully I would find the cylinder where the engine doesn't run on and leave that disconnected. Then I would turn off the engine, and I will start by first I would just switch out, as I did, the ignition coil from another cylinder. If that would not help, I would try with a new spark plug. I could also just take out the spark plug from the cylinder and switch it around from another cylinder and attach the whole again and try that. Or I would also just look for vacuum leak, poor electrical connection, the wires that runs through the whole thing. Perhaps it had got some heat from the engine and are shortened. And if that doesn't help at all, it would be the compression or the air pressure. But that has to be in another video because that's a whole nother thing. I hope that you got something out of this video and detected and solved your misfire. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and leave me a comment. I will be more than glad to help you. You could also send some freeze frames or perhaps a video to me, and by that I could perhaps help you. Have a great day and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.